Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's get a check on some stocks on the move this morning. We're joined now by Bloomberg's Isabel Lee, a cross-asset reporter. Isabel, what do you have your eyes on?
I'm going to give you an ETF for the first one, GDX. Nice. It's down by nearly 3%. I chose this because it's an ETF, $27 billion, and it basically tracks gold miners. And you see shares across the board for that. Lower end miners and resource investors are already probing Venezuela's rich minerals, and it's really a dramatic shift for the company over the past weekend. I feel like I couldn't get enough of the headlines. Every time I read, there's an update, and every time there's something new. So Venezuela sits atop some of the largest gold deposits in the Western Hemisphere. So okay. I didn't know that. And Maduro, the administration, has struggled to develop them. And most of the country's operating mines are dominated by cartels and Chinese firms. So now they're edging lower because probably of uncertainty, like what's going to happen to them. Who knows what the White House will say. But for now, they are in the red. Ticker is
they've
GDX.
had such a rip, though. The gold, the silver,
that
all
is
the
true.
precious
Yes,
metals. So
best year since.
Take a little.
Someone beside me said it's the best year since my grandma was born. That's really true.
That's good. All right, what else you got? We got First Solar.
First Solar, this is down big time, down by nearly 10%. And that's after Jefferies cut the recommendation to hold from buy. And again, it's over tariffs and valuation. They lowered the price target to 260 from 269. The analyst there is cautious over the 2026 outlook, and he sees that First Solar may have limited booking visibility and lower than expected tailwinds. And looking ahead, they see limited incremental policy support. So that's down by 10%, the lowest since October.
Yeah, there's a lot of headwinds there for a company like First Solar. All right, let's talk about Mobileye.
Mobileye, ticker is MBLY. It's the only one in the green, up by almost 1%. So they're acquiring an Israeli startup called Mentee Robotics in an all-cash and stock deal valued at around $900 million. So the self-driving car system company is aiming to expand their robotics capabilities. I feel like almost everything now is either robotics or self-driving. So they're going to pay $612 million in cash and as many as 26 million Class A shares. With the deal, they join leading car makers in the US and China. So again, we're going to have competition in this space, and they're also investing in a humanoid robot. So have you seen the Tesla robot walking around? I've seen one in real life.
Yep. Have you seen one in real life?
Yes, in a Barron conference, because they're a big Tesla investor. Cool. It was cool, but I didn't feel like it could take my job just yet.
Okay. What was it doing?
Just basic walking, like what you would imagine a robot to do. Yes. Yes, doing market. Exactly. It wasn't speaking. At least I didn't hear it speak. So we're safe for now.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.